Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the SEO optimization in Odoo 19 website. To manage with it, we can just dive into the website module. From here, we can just move on to the site and choose Optimize SEO. So once it's been chosen over here, you can see that with the help of AI, we can easily optimize the SEO. So let me fill with AI, and upon clicking on fill with AI, all the data will be automatically configured over here. You can find the metadata. Metadata is nothing but that is the data displayed in the website, and you can also find the preview over here. Now, if you want to just add any cover image, you can add that. So let me add a cover image from here. And if you want to upload the cover image from your system, you can also just do that. So under the downloads, you will be having certain image that can be uploaded in your website. So let me just do that. And afterwards, here we can also find the keywords. So here there are different keywords as well as the content ideas based on Google searches also. Now, if you want to add a new keyword, you can easily add the keyword, and upon clicking on add, the content ideas will be added by the AI based on the Google search, and you can easily see that. And we have the image optimization. There is no warning on the images, and we don't have any broken link. So once you have made the changes with the SEO optimization, um, you can save the changes that you have made over here, and that will be reflected in your page. Okay. Now, if you want to just design with the pages, you can just move on with the edit button, and you can just add the images over here. Okay. So let me add an intro over here. You can save the changes that you have made. So that's all about the SEO optimization in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.